everyone, this is Pratibha from GyanDhan. In this video, I am going to talk about what are the requirements in an applicant's profile to make it eligible for an abroad education loan. When it comes to the applicant's profile, the major things that matter the most include the percentage, GPAs, number of backlogs you have, your target course, and your target country. So let us discuss all these things in detail. We will start with the past parameters, and the first thing that determines your loan probability is your past percentage. Usually, government banks ask for 60% or more in your 10th, 12th and degree courses. Although there is no hard and fast cutoff, the cases can be approved with lower percentages but with special approval. Private banks and NBFCs also consider your percentage similarly but are more flexible. The next thing is backlogs. Ideally, the backlogs should not be more than 3. Also, the backlogs need to be cleared in the stipulated course duration. GyanDhan can help you if you have backlogs with genuine reasons. All banks and NBFCs are always cautious about the applicant's backlogs. The next factor is your gaps in education. The time since you completed your last degree is considered as a gap. Depending on the lender, you might have to write a letter explaining the gaps. It is actually a formality unless it is a huge gap of like 10 to 15 years. However, it is still doable. So, if a lender makes a fuss about your gap period or age, you can get in touch with a GyanDhan counselor. Private banks and NBFCs don't really care about your gap in studies. Next is work experience. Your work experience doesn't really matter if you are taking a secured education loan from government banks. But in NBFCs, the more the work experience, the better the deal on the interest rate is. In private banks, if the student has a work experience of 3 years or more, it might eliminate the requirement of a co-applicant. So work experience is always a plus. Talking about the future parameters, the first most important factor is the country you're going to study in. There are a few countries that are the apple of the lender's eyes, like the USA, the UK, Canada, etc. Unsecured loans are available for these selected countries only. Government banks do not express any preference towards these countries. All they care about is the rank of the college or the university. Second important future parameter is your course. It is easier to get loans in STEM courses. Unsecured loans are primarily for postgraduate degrees, not for bachelor's or PhD. For loans with collateral, it really doesn't matter whether it is bachelor's, master's, diploma or doctorate. Talking about the test scores, your IELTS and TOEFL scores should be good, but they don't affect your loan too much. But if you are looking for an unsecured loan for the US, the GRE score can be one of the deciding factors for your interest rate and loan amount. That's it for this video, guys. These are the factors that are in your control as an applicant that can change the probability of your education loan sanction. If you have any questions, please mention them in the comment section. Also, if you want us to make a video on any topic, please comment in the comment box. Thanks a lot.